If the 4th of July had a mascot, well, it could have a few, but one of those on the list would for sure be great big fireworks. No offense to Uncle Sam. The 4th of July, though, is about all things that pop, and these recipes check that box. Recipe creator and friend of the show, Alex Daynes, has 3 recipes to make your patriotic spread pop. Pop is the theme.
Pop is the theme.
Because fireworks, hello.
Oh my gosh, my favorite part of the 4th of July is the fireworks show.
Yeah.
And I couldn't just marry one popping theme, so I picked 3 things that have pop.
So for the recipe maker at home, pick one, pull it into your traditions, pull it into your family spread,
Absolutely.
and you'll be on brand, on theme for 4th of July 2024. What's first?
Okay, so we are using popsicles.
Popsicles in the salad?
Popsicles in our fruit salad.
Oh my gosh.
This is so fun. So typical fruit salad base here, we've got our red, white, and blue, of course, but feel free to grab any fruit that your family and your crowd loves. I have strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, a little blackberry action in here.
Perfect.
And then typically, like my fruit salad recipe is pretty simple. I like a little lime juice, a little honey, but I thought, you know, we're just looking for that savory, that sweet element on top. So I thought, you know, popsicles have that, right? Like popsicles are basically like lime juice and honey.
Juice and sugar.
Yeah.
In some form.
Exactly, you get what I'm saying. So you can grab any popsicle you want. I mean, if you want to do fun for the kids, I think the Freedom Pops, especially for the 4th of July, would be fun.
If they were to melt it and make it, they think that was the best thing ever.
Exactly. Serve it up as just your fruit and give them a popsicle.
And
Say, let this melt.
Yeah.
If you're going for just, you know, flavor, I would reach for a classic lime. But either option works. So which one do you want to add? What are you feeling?
Let's do the lime.
Let's do the lime.
Yeah.
So again, you can melt it in the microwave, or it can be part of the party.
We get choices now and then. On Sunday, I made a dinner and I flat out said, this is not kid friendly, but guess what?
It's gonna be delicious.
Mama got a vote today.
Yes, I stand for that. So you literally just add your melted popsicle, give it a mix. If you want to give it even more of a patriotic pop here, I had this idea because I have star cookie cutters. So I took a banana and I have my little stars.
Look at you.
And I just thought, you know, why not?
Oh, cute.
So pull that off.
Yes.
Give her a shake.
You could freeze them to hold shape. Oh, I
Isn't that cute?
love that. Yes.
You know,
Where did you get those?
Just Amazon.
Clever.
It came in like a big set, so you can have bigger stars if you're making cookies or whatever you need. But little ones like this, I thought you could also do it with apples if you wanted to. But so cute. And then again, if you want to elevate your popsicle fruit salad.
Because why not?
Because those words go together.
Because we can have our popsicle in our salad too. With some fresh mint.
Exactly. Fresh mint just gives it that elevated-esque to it.
I can smell it.
So fun. It comes together. And again, the kids will love it. Like, melt a popsicle, bring it over, and have some fruit.
Melted popsicle salad. All right, what's recipe number 2 that pops?
Okay, you know me. I had to go for popcorn.
Good girl.
Because I love it. And I think it's such a fun party food, right? And so traditionally my recipe has, this is just melted down, a cup of melted butter, a whole bag of marshmallows, and I normally add brown sugar to it, and it's more of like a soft caramel corn. But I thought, why not make it cake batter for the children? So this is just cake mix. Funfetti.
For the children.
For the children.
Let's do this for the children.
Exactly. But I thought, you know, why not? Make it fun. So a little bit of cake mix gives it that cake batter flavor.
I would never think to put cake mix in my coating, my popcorn coating.
But it totally takes it on, and then it's kind of like a sticky marshmallow popcorn.
Fantastic.
So you just melt it down, cover your popcorn.
You've got some add-ins here for us.
I do. So if you want to add a little vanilla, a little salt goes a long way. And then, of course, we're talking 4th of July. So if you want to make your popcorn pop, you got to grab your pop of sprinkles.
I love this so much.
And these are just Walmart. I don't know how long they're going to be in stock, but so fun, right? And I think the sanding sugar, the small paired with the larger pieces, is fun. If you could find red, white, and blue, like M&Ms, I think that would work really well as a mix-in. Or you can you don't have to make this for the 4th of July. You could just make cake batter popcorn and do sprinkles.
And I do think it opens up all sorts of possibilities. Like if I'm putting, that was just cake mix, right?
That's cake mix.
I think of all the cake mix flavors.
Absolutely.
You could have fun with. But
red
Alex gives a good warning. The red, white, and blue sprinkles, I was thinking the star-shaped cookie cutters, they start to go about now.
I know. I'm sorry.
We women have to get on top of each other.
I'm warning you late to the game.
I know.
But if you have them in your house, great, grab them.
I'm going to make that. That's so fun.
Do it.
Third recipe.
Okay, this one's so fun. We had to use Soda Pop from the 1800s when we called it Soda Pop. But I wanted to do a fun summer slush.
Yeah.
And so this base is one of my favorite recipes, and it actually typically is made with banana. However, every time I share that it's a banana slush, I lose friends.
You do?
I do. I don't think people want a banana slush all the time.
I knew cilantro was polarizing. I had no idea.
Bananas do. So I swapped it for strawberries. For everyone who's made my banana slush.
Calm down.
We've taken out the bananas, we put strawberries, but then it also made it red.
This is a kiss and makeup moment.
I'm formally apologizing
for everyone
to anyone I offended.
Withdrew because of Alex's banana slush. We now have strawberry.
We now have strawberry. But hey, it worked because it made it red. So this is an overnight slush. So it has strawberries, orange juice, pineapple juice, a little fresh lemon. You make a little simple syrup of sugar and water. Freeze it overnight. Then it actually stays pretty soft, and then you just kind of scoop it up into your glass as you will.
This is actually very similar to my Grandma Jo's recipe. Funny enough,
does it have banana?
It does. It has banana and cherries. We make it at Christmas. Why do we do that? It's like freezing and snowing, and we're like welcoming Santa with a cold glass
with a cold slushy.
So 4th of July, sorry, Grandma. 4th of July makes a lot more sense.
We're giving it an upgrade.
Yeah.
No, I'm here for it. I think everyone has a slush recipe. This one's mine. I like the red flair that the strawberry gave. I was reaching for anything I could find that was blue. So my Mountain Dew fans out there, you're gonna love this.
I don't see Alex as a dew drinker, but
I'm not a soda drinker.
Yeah.
But look how fun it is.
That is fun.
It's the red, it's the blue. You could add whipped cream on top to get that white element for the patriotic holiday. But again, just fun. And it's popping because of our Soda Pop.
You're so cute. This one perhaps not for the children unless you want them to stay up for next year's fireworks.
Or, you could grab 7-Up. Pace yourself.
Listen, Mama gets a vote too.
It's true.
Mountain Dew, Blue Mountain Dew it is. You are so cute. 3 recipes that pop. We'll have these on our website. Where can we get more from you, sister?
Yes, you can get all my recipes always on my website, alexdaynes.com. And then all things social is the Alex Daynes.
What did you make last week I wanted to try? Oh, the air fryer salmon.
Oh. Please make the air fryer salmon.
I saved that.
It's crispy. It has cornflakes. It takes 6 minutes, like a dream.
It looked amazing.
It's my husband's favorite thing I've ever made, and it kind of hurts my feelings because it's like 3 ingredients. But it's fine because it's that good.
Listen, he likes what he likes.
He likes what he likes.
And pass the Blue Mountain Dew.
Yes.
We'll link you over to Alex's websites from her pages from our website, studio5.ksl.com. Happy 4th.
Thank you.
Happy
You too.
4th.